Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to send your profile on Snapchat. If you're looking to share your Snapchat profile with friends or followers, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. Once you're in the app, look for your profile picture at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your profile settings. Next, you'll want to locate the share icon at the top right corner of the screen. It looks like a small arrow pointing upwards. Tap on this icon to bring up the sharing options for your profile. After tapping on the share icon, you'll see a list of different ways to share your profile. You can choose to send it via text message, email, or through other social media platforms. Select the option that works best for you. Once you've chosen how you want to share your profile, simply follow the prompts to send it out. Your friends or followers will then be able to view your Snapchat profile and connect with you on the app. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to send your profile on Snapchat. Now you can share your Snapchat profile with ease. Thanks for watching and happy snapping.